Alright guys, we're going for another vlog right now. We're heading out to Seattle this time. We just got to SeaTac about, I think, 20-30 minutes ago. So the cool thing about that is like there's this train service that you can take. It's about 45 minutes into downtown, so that's what we're doing right now. Check in to our hotel. So this is where you want to get dropped off. Westlake Station takes you straight down to downtown. Base of the Con's I think 2 blocks down that way. We're in the hotel now. We just checked in, so this is the first time we're in a suite.
Big old suite.
Wow. Whoa, it gets bigger. Okay. Alright guys, it's about 12:21, day 1, Friday. We checked in to our hotel already last night. Oh, it's a big suite. And we picked up our badge already. Now we're dressed up. I'm Vegeta. This wig's done by Sonic. That's Steph, Bulma. We're gonna hit the con floor and see what they have for you guys. Bye. Oh, like, I almost slipped because I got these foam shoes on. But another thing is, it's a little wet because it's sprinkling. It's not raining. It is sprinkling, so that's one thing you guys have to consider when you guys are coming up to Sakura-Con. Alright, if you guys remember from last year, you go all the way down out those doors, go up these escalators, and that's how you get to the con. So we're gonna go up there right now. That's where Photo Gallery is. We'll see what they have. We have some time now, so we can check out the exhibit hall. We're walking through. It's a pretty big con center, so I'll show you guys that down there. Okay, so you guys just saw we just walked into the exhibit hall.
Should we start on that side since we started on this side last year?
Yeah, I actually don't remember, but yeah, let's do it.
I'm pretty sure we.
Just talking about strategy guides and how far they've come.
Yeah, the wall of Animal Crossing.
I don't think I've ever. This guy here makes you coffee in game. And do you know how happy that made me to like play Animal Crossing and like also get coffee? You can customize your coffee so you can like add milk to it and stuff.
Looking fly, everybody stand up and get in line. We're about to turn up. We're looking fly. Make the music loud, make the music loud, make the music loud.
Alright, so I just bought all 4 of those figures, dropped like $30 my first round. So I think I'm about done with the exhibit hall. I'm just gonna check out everything else.
Give me all that good stuff, not enough. Give me
What figures did you collect?
Evangelion figures. I really, what I've always wanted to get are like figures of the actual robots.
Oh, yeah.
But there's so much money. I have like little mini ones, but I want Like the big, like full
Not
scale
full
ones.
scale, like
Well,
1/8.
obviously not like real life scale.
Everybody stand up and get in line. We're about to turn up. We're looking fine.
So you guys come back to the exhibit hall. There's a food corner right here. You guys can grab some food, refeed yourself, and get ready for the con. And, there's some those roommates over there.
Give me, yeah. Give me, yeah. Give me all of that good stuff. Not enough. Give me, yeah. Give me, yeah. Give me all that good stuff. Not enough.
It's like you're in all my vlog.
I know. Now I am.
I know. Oh, that's really cool. So we almost made it through the entire exhibit hall. We only have 2 aisles left, but it's already 4:25. Then we gotta go grab some to eat at 5 o'clock. So we're gonna hit the rest of this probably tomorrow. But I hope you guys enjoyed what you guys saw. But we're gonna grab some to eat right now. Bye. What up, guys? It's Saturday, day 2 of Sakura-Con. So I'm gonna check out the gym at the Hyatt Olive at 8. Let's see what they have here. Kirishima here. What's up? This is his first time here. How do you like it?
It's great. I love it. It's, you know, the atmosphere is great. Everybody's super friendly. So
Who brought you here?
actually my friend over there is actually his first time as well.
So if you guys remember from last year, this is the outside area. Of course, it's super crowded and it's nice weather today. So take advantage of these rocks. That circle they're talking about. I didn't know about this, but this is a tradition they do. It's kind of like hug the bottle. Kick the bottle, and whoever it touches, you go across and you give them a hug. And then the next person does that whole blank. So that's really cool and wholesome. We've been out here for about 2-3 hours already. We've been super lucky. The weather's been nice. So hopefully you guys enjoy the footage I got for you guys. We're gonna go back and change and then go check out the artist alley. Back in normal people clothes. We're gonna go check out the gaming hall because I think the artist alley is closed right now, but the gaming hall is open 24 hours, so let's go see what they have. Woo! friends are actually in the arcade area, which is where? That way.
I'm living, I'm winning, not timid. They giving me a standing ovation, cause I am amazing. I'm fresh, I'm flossy, I'm blessed, I'm glossy. Can't hold a candle to me, cause they can't handle me. I'm living, I'm winning, not timid. They giving me a standing ovation, cause I am amazing.
Alright guys, so that was the gaming hall. It's pretty cool. It's open 24 hours, but I'm kind of hungry, so I'm probably going to check out a Fun Place or a Burger Place and see what they have in store for us.
You're saying something. I basically
So Sakura-Con's basically full of food places, so you'll never have to worry about finding a food place because there's all around you, and you can enjoy the con and just walk across the street.
I'm top of the class, will knock me up, can't knock me off. They mobbing me, they wannabes. I get the cash monopoly.
Alright guys, overall it's been a great con, but don't take my word for it. What do you guys like about Sakura-Con?
I love sushi. I love Japan, period.
Jira. Garugamash.
Anime.
and manga.
Cause I am amazing. I'm fresh, I'm flossy, I'm blessed, I'm glossy. Can't hold a candle to me.
So that's all I got for you guys for Sakura-Con. Hopefully there was a lot of content. And this is, I'm gonna say right here, it's probably one of my favorite cons. Not just because it's a 24-hour event, but everything else around here is also cool to do. So it's definitely worth the money to come all the way out to Seattle and check out this place. So with that being said, I'll end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching it and hanging out with me. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.